Hi there, I'm Luna, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to this demo, created right here in my digital home, HeyGen. With HeyGen's powerful features, you'll discover how easy it is to create stunning avatar videos, dynamic visuals, product showcases, and so much more. Let's get started.
I'm going to show you a few things that you can do with this awesome tool called HeyGen. In its simplest form, what it's really great for is creating content with avatars. So one thing that I used it for was to create avatars of Frank. So Frank didn't have to keep doing presentations or talking. I could actually just take a script and make Frank the avatar speak. But let's take a look at how we actually create these avatars. I'm going to start with the simplest form. So let's create a video. Here, I'm going to actually create something using a different avatar. So what's great about HeyGen is that you've got so many avatars to choose from, and many of them have different looks that you can choose from. If you want to have somebody in workout clothing or office clothing, so you can really choose an avatar that suits the video content that you're creating. Okay, so let's choose Gala here, and let's have her sitting on the couch. And we will feed the script to her. We'll have her say something related to our CXM course. Okay, so you feed the script in there. What's awesome about HeyGen is it can make videos up to 30 minutes long. So you can add a scene there with a different avatar, so you can swap the avatars around. I'm not going to do that right now. And you can even choose voices. There's a huge list of voices in the HeyGen library. You can take a listen to them.
Hey there, here's how I sound.
And from there, you can choose which voice you'd like to have.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
We'll say Cassidy. We'll submit. It's really as simple as that. HeyGen Demo 1. And you can create the video. You can actually create videos using the free plan. There are some limitations to that. The paid for plan, you can take month to month, which works out to maybe about $29, $30 a month. And you can pause your subscription. So you don't have to pay every single month. You can pay as and when you need it. It takes fairly quick to generate the posts. And there we have it. Let's take a look at what the video looks like.
We are producing more data than ever before. From social media to sensors in our shoes, data is being generated at an unprecedented rate. And this massive wave of information is what makes modern AI not just possible, but powerful.
So as you can see, it's very realistic, it's very lifelike. Her mouth moves in time. So you can either download this video and use it as is, or you can start using this video as a base to actually translate to different languages, create different accents. So let's take a look. We'll translate this. Choose a target language. Since I'm in South Africa, let's choose Afrikaans because I understand that language. We're going to translate the scripts and the text. So yeah, it's brought us back to her here. Go into the script. So as you'll see, it has translated the text into Afrikaans. Again, we submit and we'll say it's a demo in Afrikaans. And now we submit. I actually created one of her speaking Afrikaans, that same sentence, but in a different pose because I wanted to show you how expressive it can be.
Ons produseer meer data as ooit tevore. Van sosiale media tot sensors in ons skoene, data word teen 'n ongekende tempo gegenereer. En hierdie massiewe golf inligting is wat moderne kinie net moontlik maak nie, maar ook kragtig. Ons produseer meer data as ooit tevore. Van sosiale media tot sensors in ons skoene, data word teen 'n ongekende tempo gegenereer. En hierdie massiewe golf inligting is wat moderne kinie net moontlik maak nie, maar ook kragtig.
So as you can see, again, very expressive. The mouth is in sync. The body language is great. I even added captions, which you can do over here. You can edit the captions and download it with the captions already put into it. And the captions will directly go from the script, so they cannot be incorrect. So that's how you can create a video and how you can translate, how you can choose different accents. I'll show you it in different forms using Frank. So let's take a look at Frank, and let's go a little bit more complicated here. And let's have Frank speak Arabic from an Arabic script. We're going to choose Frank. This is the avatar that I have created for him. We're going to take the script. And we're going to submit. Frank Arabic demo. And there we go. It'll generate Frank now speaking Arabic. Let's take a look at what Frank looks like when he speaks Arabic.
العائد على الاستثمار في تجربة العملاء ومؤشرات الأداء والمقاييس قوة الذكاء الاصطناعي التسويقي في الارتقاء بتجربة العملاء. العائد على الاستثمار في تجربة العملاء ومؤشرات الأداء والمقاييس قوة الذكاء الاصطناعي التسويقي في الارتقاء بتجربة العملاء.
So again, as you can see, the lifts are really well synced, and from here we can again translate it to anything, any other language, etc. I'm not going to do that right now, but just to give you an indication how we took Frank, we took an Arabic script, we wrote it in, and it generated his avatar from that. But you don't only have to put in a script, you can actually put in a video to do a translation. Let's do an example here. So now, as we've done a start from scratch where we created these avatars. Let's take one where we translate a video. So we're going to translate a video. I'm going to find the video that I want to translate. Just to give you an idea, this is what Frank says.
Hi, I'm Frank, and I'd like to show you something pretty amazing using AI.
So although he's speaking English in this video, we're still going to translate it, and we're actually going to say English United States so that he has a bit of a American accent. So we're going to translate it. Okay, so shall we hear what it sounds like?
Hi, I'm Frank, and I'd like to show you something pretty amazing using AI.
And there you have it. So Frank now has lost his original accent. We can even do this in the reverse order. We can take a video of Frank. This is the original video.
Et maintenant, je parle français sans jamais l'avoir appris.
So as you see, Frank is now speaking French. We want to know what Frank is saying, and we need to translate it to English. So we'll translate this video, upload the file. Once it's loaded, again, we can choose a language. We can move it from French to Arabic to Chinese. We can change it from French to pretty much any language. But let's go from French to English and translate. Let's hear what he's saying.
And now, I speak French without ever having learned it.
So the accents are still there, but he is no longer speaking French. So these are all of the tools that you can use in terms of translation. As I say, you can create a video and you can start from scratch where you choose your avatar, you put in a script. The script can be English, can be in any other language, and from there you can create your avatar. Alternatively, you can take an already created video and translate that video into any language or any accent. It really helps you reach a wider audience. Let's also take a look at other options that you can have when you create videos. Let's go back here. You can use a template. So any template that you have that you want to upload, you can upload a PowerPoint or PDF, and then it can create the video content according to the words on the PDF or the PowerPoint. You can even generate a script with AI. You can tell them what is the topic, what kind of tone it should be, is there any other additional information, and it will generate just as ChatGPT or Claude, etc. would do for you. So those are the ways that you can create those videos, and it's really quite easy.